Alright, so for this emblem tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make the dope emblem. So for layer 1, you're going to want the whole thing to be filled with black. For layer 2, you're going to want the ice star or the paint splatter thing if you have it. If you got like the 10 kills without dying or the 20. And then you're going to want to put it right near the center curved, a little more down. So there's that. Then you're going to want the same one over it up to 100% capacity, and then the one that's below it will be at 50% capacity. So that way, like, it can be a little bit looking better. And then to start off the D for the dope, you're going to want to have a circle right there. For layer 5, you're going to want to get the shuriken and place it right there in the center of the circle so you can see the O. And then for layer 6, you would want to use a quarter circle, and then you would want to bend it so that way the part that has the biggest would be at the top and the part that's small would be at the bottom. And then there's your D right there. I said there's a D. For layer 7, you'd want to use the pie slice near the end of the ice stars for the E to start it off. For layer 8, you're going to want to use the... Hold on, let me check. You're going to want to use the flag breeze and put it right where I put it right there for the E. For layer 9, you're going to want to want to outline what layer 10 would be. So that would be layer 10 right there, and then the black outline right there so you can see the P and the E apart. And then you're going to want to do the line for the P. And then to start off the diamond for the O. You can do it in whatever color you want. I chose to do it in pink. And then to show that it was a diamond, I outlined it in black if you can't see it. For layer 14, I just grabbed a triangle and flipped it upside down. For layer 15, for layer 15, you're going to want the capacity to be at 20. And you're going to need the scribble and put it right there where I put it. And in like a darker shade or color of the color that you're going to put other than pink. Remember, capacity at 20. And then for layer 16, you're going to want it also at 20. And then for layer 17, you're going to be outlining the triangle so that way you have your little diamond. For layer 18, you're going to want to use the shuriken again, but in the middle of the P. For layer 19, you're going to want to use, hold on, let me see what this one's called. You're going to want to use a gold flag and, put it right there, color it, and, make the color black, and put the capacity up to 50. You're going to want to do the same thing, but on the opposite side. So just let me put that up to 50. And there you go. And then for layer 21, you're going to want to use a shuriken again, but on the E. For layer 22, put the capacity up to 25. And there's your 25 capacity right there. This is going to be outlining it. Well, not outlining, just making I have that little design, if you can't see it. Like that type of design right there, like people usually have. For layer 24, you're going to want to put the capacity at 100, and you're going to want to use the ice star. And then you're going to want to outline it with black. For layer 25, so it's going to be the sparkle. For layer 26, gonna wanna put the hold on, what did I put the capacity to? I'm gonna put the capacity to 25. I'm very going overboard and shit. The fuck? For layer 17, you're going to want to put the capacity to 25 as well. And if you didn't know what layer 26 through 28, 27 was, it was just doing the design in like a bunch of different spots, so like you can actually see it. For layer 28, you're going to want to do the same thing that you did with the rest of it, but on the line of the piece so you can actually see it. And then for layer 29, last but not least, you're going to want to do the last thing, like the same exact layer that you did for the P, the D and the diamond and the P, but instead of it being over there, you're going to want it, you're going to need to have it on that pink thing that's right there, the ice star, but in your color. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make the dope emblem. I hope I actually helped you, sorta. Well, thanks for watching. Peace.